I think it is a great example of where virtual or digital tools can contribute to AMR, and the hackathon in particular showed that you can create a real dynamic. So we started on Friday with some ideation and then prototype development, and today the pitches. So I'm really looking forward to this, and I think we will get something out what is really tangible. You see, it's very lively here.
Yes,
so
it's good.
it's
That's what we want.
So for AMR, you can't stay in your silo and do your research or your activities, which you usually do. We need to combine disciplines. Yes, so I think the hackathon absolutely does that. We saw this, people coming from very unrelated disciplines, moving into the field and getting excited. And this is where new ideas develop.
The dream scenario is that we actually can create something that's going to help primary care to have a better, increase the quality of life of patients and also increase the quality of life of the prescribers. So that's the doctors, the nurse practitioners and the team.
Obviously, I'm hoping that some of the ideas which are presented today will be developed further after the hackathon, and that will be, frankly, this will be the challenge. How do we pick up, how do we make things sustainable and create or provide a framework for things to develop? And I think, again, VRI is the framework which could provide that.